You know why a lot of Rastas do not like Muta? Because Muta is a man where no believe in a fairy tale. And Muta always says, you can't make Selassie less than he is or more than he is. Now, Muta is a man do not believe in a lot of things that many Rastas says about Selassie. Like, some Rastas would say that Selassie threw up an apple in the sky and chop it up 13 times before it touched the ground. Some would say Selassie ride on a white horse in the sky or arse. And some of them would say, like, Selassie walk on bomb and all them type of thing there. So, when Muta hear these things and some other stuff, Muta lick against it and say, a fairy tale that. So Muta not into those things, into those talking when it comes to Selassie and Rastafariism. So here what me now, you find say now because of that, you have many Rasta who do not like Mutabaruka. Now me is a man where me grew up on the cutting edge. From my youth, me I listen to the cutting edge. And many times I heard Rastas, both men and women, calling on the program and them really put on some fire upon Mutabaruka on the radio, them cuss him out wicked man. And say him a betray Rasta and him no love Rasta and what was something? So there's a lot of Rastas who do not like Mutabaruka. Like the other night, me I listen to the cutting edge. And a Bobo man calling on the program. And I reason with Muta about Prince Emmanuel. When him born and where him born, and if they have a mother or a father, and all these things, and me I tell a man, the way the Bobo man a deal with Muta on the radio, me I say, no sir. As Rastas, me not like it. Because I'm not a Rasta and Rasta for live. You know, you have 12 tribes over there, so you have Naya Bingo over there, so you have Bobo up there, so 3 different camps. I mean, I tell you, sometimes it causes a little vibes in the Rasta system, you know. Me not like it. In my view, Rasta and Rasta for live good and represent what Rasta really stand for. Yeah. Me not say, of course, there gonna be times where people have disagreements and all these things, but yeah. One love in a Rasta system, yeah. And Mutabaruka, me cite it up, say a lot of Rastas don't like the eye. Yeah, man. Me, Shocking Morris said that.